Hey, what sauce combines this and this to make this the most wonderful sauce you'll ever eat in your life? AVGOLEMONO. 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 This sauce has been a staple in Greek kitchens for ages. With its simple ingredients, you can add them together and become one of the best sauces you'll ever taste. You can enhance your soups and stews as a liaison, create this velvety, almost creamy texture without using any dairy. Or you can apply it directly to the vegetable or the meat of your choice. Avgo in Greek means egg, and lemoni means lemon. You put them together, AVGOLEMONO. Okay, first things first, let's warm up just a little bit of stock. I'm going to use chicken stock. You can use a bouillon cube or paste, or you can make your own fresh stock with chicken. I'm going to use the paste today. So let's get started. Let's crank this bad boy up. Pour just a little bit of stock in here. I'm using about a cup of water to a tablespoon of chicken-based paste. Okay, and the next thing that we got to do is we got to separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. I just crack it a little bit, let the egg white fall, and just shimmy the yolk back and forth. You get a little bit of yolk in there, it's all right. You're not making a meringue. I'm using 4 eggs, and I'm going to use all of it. I'm going to use all the yolks, and I'm going to use all the whites. All right, got a little bit of shell in there. That's all right. Nobody's watching. Our stock is beginning to simmer. I'm going to go ahead and just turn that guy off, and we're going to let him just hang out until we're finished preparing our eggs for the sauce. All right, guys, so what we want to do is we want to whip our egg whites to just about soft peaks and give you an arm workout for sure. You'll notice it'll start becoming foamy and more solid. That's what you want. You switch arms if you need to. Okay, but it's not sticking up and it's not keeping its form, but just ever so slightly. And that's where you want to be. So we're mixing. Starting to get a little bit thicker, and the color is actually changing a little bit more creamier. All right, lovely. Now we're gonna mix in our lemon juice. How lemony do you want it? I like mine like super lemony, so I'm gonna put a lot of lemon in it. Okay, there it is. Now we got this. We're gonna add it. We're gonna add this into our egg whites. There we go, get it all in there. Mix that up. And then we're gonna start tempering our sauce. And what I mean by tempering is you're gonna slowly add your stock to your egg yolks, bring them up to temperature, so that way they're not shocked when you put them in the hot liquid and then they scramble. Now let's put it back into the stovetop, and then we're going to heat it up just a little bit. Careful not to break it, but what we want to achieve is we want to achieve a nice creamy velvety sauce. Now it's very important that you continue to stir it, otherwise you risk breaking the sauce. It's going to be nice and foamy at the top. As you continue stirring it, you'll notice it'll start to thicken. Now adjust your heat and make sure that you're not getting too hot. Okay guys, and now at this point what you should end up with is a very nice creamy looking sauce. Okay, it's very pastel yellow, getting it all over me and the camera apparently. So all right, but this is where we're at right here. Look at this. Look at this, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, now at this point, what do we want to do? We want to add some herbs. We want to add some flavor to it. Salt and pepper. There she is. Put a little bit more. Okay, clean my cutting board off here. I know what I'm doing. I'm trying to look at the camera and to play at the same time. I'm learning. Hey, listen, I also want to give a shout out to my friend Daniel Harrington. We appreciate you, man. Thank you for your suggestions on this audio equipment, and we appreciate you watching. And next time you're in Gluckstadt, buddy, I got your gyros right here. Let's go ahead and place our herbs. Let's find something to put it on. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you, you guys need to try this. It's so good. Try it on fish, try it in your soups, try it in your sauces. Guaranteed, I'm gonna take it to the next level.